Yeah, basically I want to update some concepts in gold, because I had analysis on the weekend. So actually, after opening of the market, we still had some positive direction, but what happened yesterday, something was violated there. So I need to update some concepts to those traders who are following my analysis. So in a weekly basis, we have this very powerful push. As I said, market is going to open in a sell manner, so it opened in the same way. But now what next? So let's move to lower time frames to see what is expected to happen. So mainly on the weekend, we were around this area. This was 6th of May, so we were around this area, and basically based on my wave counts, this was the 5th wave. Now this one, this area, this was the 5th wave. Therefore it was clear that we have already completed wave C down, and this upward move was the beginning of impulse to the upside. Now I was expecting that market is going to move down, but not beyond this level. So moving beyond this level is another idea now. So I want to share what is going on now. What's that new idea now? So basically, since we had 5 waves there, giving us an idea of 5th wave, but price has still moved beyond this level, so we expect extension in the 5th wave. So this 5 wave down was just the 1st wave of the 5th wave, and the current move down is the 3rd wave. So if this is the 3rd wave, currently we expect the price to correct in the 4th. So it can have some movements in the completion of the 3rd. But what we expect now, what will be our target, we'll have to watch for formation in the 4th. We'll have to, now you see this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So in the completion of the 3rd, so what we have to expect is now formation of a corrective structure in the 4th wave, and finally we will have a final 5th wave move down. So that's what we're going to look for. We have to look for the 4th. Then the idea of formation of the 4th, it correlates with the other ideas. Maybe we'll have this support. Maybe let me go to daily time frame. Now we had this support. Price previously tried to break it, then came back, then hit it without breaking, then came back down, and then it successfully broken and retested, went up. So it is coming again to that same level. Now it came again to that same level, failed to break it, then bounced to the upside, and now has successfully broken it. So the idea of the 4th wave correlates with the concept of retesting that broken support that now becomes resistance. So we have the SR flip at the current price. So the 4th will retest this, and then we'll have a push to the downside. So what I suggest now is watch for formation in the 4th. Then if it confirms a sell, probably that will be a better direction to trade in now the remaining days of this week. So that is the idea that I wanted to update, and it is plus the idea of this resistance. We had this trend line, so price was trending there, but now it seems like it has successfully closed below the trend line. So the upward move will be also a retest to this trend line. So those are the factors of confluence, and also the idea of moving down there. The idea of moving down there. Remember, in all my analysis, I think several weeks back, I still had this level there, or a level of the previous 4th. now the previous fourth. Based on the concept of depth of correction, I was still looking for price to reach this level, but since it formed certain confirmations underway there, so I was also able to project a buy, even though we were not at that level. So if prices is still looking down, so I'll be looking for this level to be a strong support, where price will bounce to the upside, and this will mark our fourth wave in that greater degree, and then will be wave C in the inward the internal degree. So that's the concept that I wanted to update to you traders who have to look for that. So thank you for your time, and keep in touch with the Awesome Forex by subscribing. If you have any comment, you can put there, and if you have any suggestion in any way, you have question, you can put it there, and also make sure that you share this video with your friend. Thank you for your time.